Today I will teach you 80 short sentences. These will help you speak English faster. Those who don't speak English at all will learn these sentences in just one look. These sentences are used frequently in spoken English. So if you don't know these, you can't speak English. So let's learn the sentences. Let's play. Let's play. Don't call me. Don't call me. Who are they? Who are they? Stop teasing him. Stop teasing him. Pay attention. Pay attention. Tell me. Tell me. Lift is not working. Lift is not working. Pick up the call. Pick up the call. All is well. All is well. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. By God's grace. By God's grace. Give me. Give me. Get well soon. Get well soon. I am speechless. I am speechless. Not this time. Not this time. He is asleep. He is asleep. Come in the evening. Come in the evening. Same to you. Same to you. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Are you in? Are you in? How sad. How sad. Why not? Why not? Is it possible? Is it possible? Hurry up. Hurry up. Look up. Look up. Have patience. Have patience. Walk carefully. Walk carefully. Switch on. Switch on. Join us. Join us. It is possible. It is possible. How disgraceful. How disgraceful. Look straight. Look straight. No, it's not. No, it's not. How dare he? How dare he? Look down. Look down. Are you in the office? Are you in the office? How sweet. How sweet. Come back. Come back. I have promised her. I have promised her. Do it. Do it. Don't cry. Don't cry. What is your goal? What is your goal? Keep it up. Keep it up. That's enough. That's enough. He has a cold. He has a cold. Remind me. Remind me. Switch off. Switch off. Why are you upset? Why are you upset? Be polite. Be polite. He called me. He called me. Can I eat? Can I eat? You insulted me. You insulted me. Avoid him. Avoid him. Shut the window. Shut the window. Take a closer look. Take a closer look. Calm down. Calm down. Note it down. Note it down. I am leaving. I am leaving. I don't like. I don't like. Let her come in. Let her come in. Where is he? Where is he? But why? But why? It's my life. It's my life. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Not enough. Not enough. It will take time. It will take time. Don't provoke him. Don't provoke him. Hereafter. Hereafter. Not again. Not again. I can't control him. I can't control him. Take it easy. Take it easy. Is all well? Is all well? Can we talk? Can we talk? What are you doing? What are you doing? Do it yourself. Do it yourself. That's true. That's true. Will it be right? Will it be right? It is safe. It is safe. How is that? How is that? Don't misguide him. Don't misguide him. Anytime. Anytime. It's obvious. It's obvious. You may go. You may go. Go back. Go back. Is it safe? Is it safe? Practice these and you will learn to speak English faster. I say one thing again and again. To speak English, you have to practice regularly. Only then you can speak English. It is not possible to speak English without practice. So, if you want to speak English, practice it from today. Like or comment if you like the video. Stay well and keep learning English with me.